a fast and easy way to create clips for PVC pipe. Cut off a small end of the PVC pipe and slice it in half lengthwise. Secure the half into the wall with a screw. Now we can press down to clip our PVC pipe into the two halves. Now we'll be installing a ball valve. We need to stop the flow of water from this pipe, so we'll use a dowel. Gently hammer it in and then saw it flush if necessary. Next, we'll install the ball valve onto the pipe. This step will differ according to the kind of valve you're using. Once finished, carefully remove the dowel using a drill. Close the valve to complete the installation. Here's what it looks like from the other side when you install a hollow wall support into drywall. As it tightens, the wings flare out, which provides the support. We can make some very sturdy wall clips from the tops of plastic bottles. We'll heat the edges with a heat gun and then bend them over with a pair of pliers. Now we can screw our new clips into the wall to hold cables and pipes in place. Check out this cool way to keep your charging cables on hand. Tape a couple of magnets to the bottom of a binder clip. Now we can put the binder clip on the edge of a table to keep our cables within reach. We can remove the excess paint from paint rollers with a string and an empty paper towel roll. Press the tube down the brush to squeeze out the paint. Here's a quick and easy way to attach two aluminum frames together. Drill the screw in perpendicularly until it passes through the metal. Then turn the screw vertically and pass it through the frame below. We can make perfect circles using only a zip tie and a couple of pencils. Pass the strap through the head, then fold the zip tie in half. Use one pencil in the center of the circle and the other to trace the circumference. The bristles on brooms are easily damaged. We can extend their life by adding a bit of double-sided tape to sweep up any loose dust and protect the bristles. We can squeeze out the last bit of toothpaste with this next trick. Zip tie two pencils together and pass the toothpaste tube between the pencils. Installing tongue and groove flooring should be done so that the ends of each boards don't line up with the neighboring ends. We can do this by lining the boards up initially and then sliding one board down, like so. Here's a great way to twist together wires. Drill two small holes into this washer head bolt and then insert the wires into the holes. Attach the bolt into the chuck and then hold the wires with a vise. Drill to twist the wires together. If we wrap this solder around these two wires, we can solder them together using a blowtorch to melt the solder. After long enough use, the stone on this circle knife sharpening machine is no longer square. We can fix that with the help of an angle grinder. Looks like this doormat just won't stay put. We can give it some extra grip by using a bit of plastic wrap. Fold it over a few times to match the size of the doormat. How about a glass of orange juice? Using the top of a plastic bottle, trace and cut out a circle on the top of the orange and replace the peel with the bottle top. Attach a screw eye into the chuck and drill inside the orange. Now we can pour out the orange juice from the bottle top.
You want a clean trash bag always in the bucket? Here's a simple trick. But that's just a little thing. Now we're going to do bigger things. With the right markings, it's easy to get the metal profile firmly in place. Pliers will help make the construction even safer. Nails and screws on the floor can be dangerous. It's very easy to step on them. It's a good idea to keep everything out of the way. Refilling a lighter? Not a problem. Surprising as it may sound, we need a syringe, or rather, this little piece of it. We cut it up and we put it on the bottle. You're good to go. Here comes the fire. Again, those tricky corners. Too bad you can't make a house without them at all. Well, we have to find a solution. Let's try to lay laminate beautifully without unnecessary gaps and joints. Memorize how to do the markings correctly. Use the lid from any paint bucket. It will help you cut an even circle. Done! It looks great. You don't know how to secure wire pipes to the wall? Get some more corrugated pipe. Yes, you heard correctly. I know it sounds paradoxical, but soon you will see. 2 small pieces of corrugated pipe. Screw them to the wall. Let's see how it works. Look, it's holding up great. A bank card will help make accurate measurements. Don't worry, it won't get damaged. How easy is it to clean a paddle mixer? Wait until everything dries out. As you can see, it works. To do painting work at height is not easy, especially if you're short or if you don't have a ladder. And if it's both of them, you cannot miss our life hack. Luckily, you will only need one rope to bring it to life. It may seem easy to mark up a piece of wood, but the pencil keeps crumbling. We can avoid that by using the border of a measuring tape. A nail will help hold the wire firmly in place. Hook it like this and wrap it all around the nail. The nail can be bent or hammered better. To hide a screw in the wood, it's good to make a small hole the size of the head of the screw. Did you know that foam cans are full of surprises? For example, there are balls like this inside each of them. If you don't remove them after work, they will stick to the valve. We don't need that at all. I think it's time for a little rest and a snack. Work has made me hungry. I suggest making a salad with green peas. Do you know how to open the can?